Menteri Rangba benrap jong jela ubap reston tensong ulaya thu mentaga singikan rutari urisau baka sorka jela kadang dei bensiu sasis pak sapoi klur tingka na ka lais pak khandai klur tingka ka bala pelut ha ka jingdon kam baper ha ka jingakun persya ya ka klam covid-19 habaya kran bagrap sai kubor watun song ulong baka ni ka jing pelut ya ka lais pak khandai klur ka bala dip siu kolong aspa sanpoi klur tingka
as far as expenditures is concerned, during the fight of COVID-19, right from the month of March till today, I wanted to briefly give the figures to all of you. Kindly note it down properly. Till the end of September this year, 2020, I would like to tell you the total expenditure which is needed to meet different requirements in fighting the COVID-19 comes to rupees 399 crores. 399 crores. I will tell you the details, the heads, the subheads. One, under NHM, like corona centers, procurement of PPEs, ambulance, lab, and surveillances, the amount spent is 188.9 crores. 188.9 crores. Under DHS, like procurement of machines, we call it BPAP machines, oxygen cylinders, BP monitor, viral transport media, digital body IR thermometer, ventilators, then ply mask, surgical gloves, thermal scanners, and etc. It comes to rupees 82.4 crores. 82.4 crores. Under CMSG, Chief Minister's special grant, like payment to stranded citizens, transportation of stranded citizens, and also provision of kits and etc. is rupees 14.7 crores. Then from another head, CMRF, Chief Minister's Relief Fund, procurement of ambulances, again, then biomedical waste vans, community quarantine centers, and etc. is rupees 7.4 crores. 7.4 crores. Then from Labour Department, Chief Minister relief against wage loss. I think you remember, we provided relief in the form of financial assistance to about almost 2 lakh people. And also with those organized building and construction workers, we extended financial help during that time, comes to rupees 51 crores. 51 crores. Then again from SRWP, or we call it MLA scheme, through MLA scheme, advance sanction was released at the rate of 25 lakhs per MLAs to extend financial assistance or financial help to their respective constituencies comes to 15 crores. 15 crores. Then we got from PM CARES like accommodation facilities, food arrangements, medical treatment and transportation arrangement for migrant laborers comes to 3.5 crores. 3.5 crores. Again, under the head of DMF, we call it District Mineral Fund, like relief camps, screening points, district quarantine centers, and etc. 8.9 crores. 8.9 crores. Then from SDRF fund, creation of additional testing laboratories, consumable and testing kits, again PPE, thermal scanners, storage plan in hospitals, setting up containment zones in the entire state comes to 23.7 crores. 23.7 crores. Under Urban Affairs Department, again they conducted sanitization works in different places, in different localities within urban area. We spent 3.5 crores and the total amount comes to 399 crores. And out of 399 crores, I would like to tell you, 251 crores till date, state government has cleared the bills, different bills as mentioned by me from different heads.